Hey everybody, my name is Zane, and today I'm back with some more Murder Mystery 2 in Roblox. I'm gonna be doing yet another first games with video because I got this godly knife that's on my back. It's the godly knife. It's the godly knife, Deathshard, and I also have saw now. So unless I trade it, which I don't think I will. There's gonna be a first games with Saw video coming up soon, so that's what Saw looks like. And then, but I'm gonna be using Deathshard today. Gotta make sure Ghost is on because I've gotta have the nice, gotta have the nice effect of Deathshard. But I traded my slasher for a web and rupture. Web's awesome, by the way. And then I traded rupture for Deathshard and Saw. So now I've got 2 more godly knives in my collection, which is really cool. But anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoy this video. Innocent to start. Real quick, what's this person? Wow, 5 seers. Wow, 5 seers. Yeah, the weapon rupture also caused my scratch, so I don't have a scratch anymore, which is really upsetting. And I bought the teddy bear. I think I displayed that. But in the last video, but I don't know. Did I? Yeah, I had the teddy bear in that video. Whoa, wait, was that the murderer right there? Oh no, wait, it might have been, but now he's just holding bear. So, I don't know. Dang, I'm almost maxed out on my level. I'm at level 1064 out of 1100. Or 1100. So, I'm really getting close now, guys. Really getting close. One thing, somebody commented, that I should go for box 2, but didn't say if it was knife box or gun box 2, and I forgot to ask. So, I assume it's knife box 2, but if it's not, please comment on this video. But at the end of the video, I think I will have enough coins to buy a box, so it will be knife box 2. See if Fang can't just mentally destroy me again. I have like 1 or 2 Fang sightings recorded. So I'm thinking of putting it together another godly knife fail montage, just like but not ending with me getting one unless I get one really soon. Ooh, sheriff just shot the wrong person. Because like I passed slasher on camera once. Heat a lot of times on camera. Luger once on camera. Fang at least once on camera, and that time you couldn't actually see it, but because of the angle that it has on the panel compared to the others in the box, I knew it was Fang. So yeah, that was a joy. I still have not passed Deathshard, ironically. Saw, ironically. Or shark or laser. So I'd want to try and spot them in a box. So maybe actually I'll go for gun box 2. I don't know. It's a real coin flip decision. This round is... What's happening? Wait, is there somebody AFK somewhere? So if there is, then I'm gonna shoot him. Whether it's wrong or not. AFK there. What am I missing? The round's about to end anyway. Okay. The murderer's not AFK. Or at least... Wait. Is it you? No, I didn't see any dead bodies by him. Oh man, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Ugh. Been having some allergy problems. I was the pink-haired girl all the time. What? Alright, so we got either mansion or bank, I think. Blue. We got mansion. Cool. And I've got 24%. Yes! Now you guys will see the true power of Deathshard. And also, when you throw Deathshard, it does like a front flip thing instead of a side flip. It's really cool. Oh man, Deathshard. Deathshard, I don't know why, but it's one of my favorite godlies. I really don't know why. Its name is kind of strange. It looks weird. But then again, I am weird, so there you go. Hey. You get back here, dude. I'll go ghost. See, there's the front flip. There's the front flip right there. I kind of blew my cover. Throw. Okay, I blew my cover big time. So if I don't die, I won't figure out how. Get ready for a front flip. Problem is I don't know where the sheriff is or who it is. Wasn't you? Somebody hiding right here? Jeez, already okay. Why? If you guys haven't heard the stories of John Doe, this was like the second account I ever made. And that account and the third account that ever got made, Jane Doe, got hacked. But now it seems like no one can access the accounts anymore. Like, no one at all. And it's sad. I think that this is just some sort of spooky fairy tale. But, okay, but like, March 18th was the day, they got hacked. And it said every March 18th, they return and hack you and stuff, but I don't believe in it. I'm still not gonna play on March 18th, but March 18th is coming up really soon, and bodies have just been, seems possessed since people have started, talking about it, so it's really creepy. Either that or my Deathshard's a lot more powerful than I thought. Guys, I'm murder again. This guy's begging for my hollow's edge, so you bite the dust first. You beg for my hollow's edge. After I say I don't have anything for trade, you face the fury of my Deathshard. This is a close quarters map, so, oh gosh, I hate going up against a gun on this map. I hate going up against a knife on this map. This map's really hard to work on, but if you can get it down, it's really actually a great map for you. Hug the beer. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I swear. I swear I did not kill anyone. Wait. Hey there. Hey there, Sheriff. I don't think so. Jeez. Okay. No. No. Guys. Why? This is creepy. This is so creepy, it's crazy. Go Ghost. I love Ghost so much, it's so OP. Oh, my next victim. Hey there, buddy. Boom. No, stop, just stop, please. Oh my, John Doe is more powerful than we know. Is there any hope that we can defeat this masterful foe? I don't think so. I think we're all doomed. Come on. Oh no, I can't. No, but he didn't really move that much, so okay. Okay, I've got a minute left. Alright, no one's in here. Less than a minute to find this last person, and then I'll have 2 Deathshard wins in a row. Oh god. This is so creepy. This is so creepy, guys. Front flip Deathshard. Woot woot. Wait a minute, I killed some... Oh god. This is horrifying. I bet somebody... please stop. Please stop. Second account, John Doe. It's too powerful. More powerful than we all imagined. There is no defeating him. Ah, I ran out of time. Either that or somebody disconnected with 2 seconds left because on my screen it said 2 seconds. What happened here? Yeah, I ran out of time. Oh man, there's one person left. Alright, this is gonna be the final round of the video because all this John Doe stuff with the possessing bodies, making the dead bodies his little puppets is really creepy. Oh, and I'm on the ground, and I'm dancing around like, John Doe, leave me alone, please. Oh god, it's, get out, hey, get out of the doorway. Bruh, really? Just stand in the door. That's not very nice. I'm hugging my titty, because I'm scared. I'm scared that I'll be possessed next. Oh man. I hope I don't get hacked. It would be a shame if this account got hacked. Level now 1065, almost 1066. 4 godlies, although I am gonna spread my godlies out across my accounts. So that way, you know. So that way, it's a little bit, so that way if I lose one of my accounts, I still have some of my stuff. I mean, I'd be able to get my account back, I think. Probably pretty easily. And I don't know if I just walked into somebody who was invisible or not, because my dude kinda had trouble walking there, but... Or maybe it's John Doe. Oh. I don't know what this episode turned into, because this was just a regular old first games with video with my Deathshard, and then all of a sudden, the John Doe conspiracy gets to me, just with, oh my god, the dancing bodies are just, it just goes too far. It just goes too far, and I think the murderer's AFK. I think he might be the AFK person with the old glory over here. Yeah, I think it's him. Is it him? Hey, since you're AFK, can I have those 2 things, please? I can't rob him. Give me the old glory. That's an extra 49 sears? I think so. Because I think a Mara laser's 50 and I think it's 1 higher than old glory. But give me the laser. Give me the old glory. Come on. I think this guy also has a pixel. Hang on. I think he's this guy. Pixel. Yeah, he's got laser, old glory, pixel. And he's got the ego. Oh man. Give me the old glory, man. Hey, stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Give me the old glory. I want that old glory. The sheriff is just standing there. He's probably so confused at what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna hug. Oh, I'm gonna drink my milkshake and hug my titty. Alright guys, we're gonna close out this video with a box. I'm gonna go with Gum Box 2 because I'm not 100% sure. I think it's Knife Box 2, but I want to see one final time before going for Fang again if I can't see Shark. Let's see. And we're gonna get Cheddar or Juice. I hope Cheddar because it's better. Okay, Cheddar. I don't think we passed any rares. We passed a Predator, but we did not pass any rares. Let's real quick salvage that. Oh, and then we can make an uncommon. Cool. We got enough common stuff to craft uncommon. What do you know? Lucky. That's not lucky. Salvage bin. Alright. Anyway, guys. Oh, I died. But anyway, guys. hope that you enjoyed this video. There will be first games with Saw video coming up very soon. I'll just equip Saw now for that. But first things first. The next video is going to be me answering you guys' questions for the Q&A. I cannot wait. There are not many questions, but I'm still gonna answer them because, you know, and there will be more Q&As in the future when I get more subscribers. So that way, if any of you guys decide that you do want to ask me questions, you can. But yeah, hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're looking forward to the Q&A and first games with Saw videos. And please stay tuned for more.